Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to switch audio output on your iPhone, whether you're using Bluetooth headphones, AirPods, or just your phone speaker. Now this is super useful if your audio is playing on the wrong device, or if you quickly want to switch between devices without disconnecting anything. So let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Once you're inside the control center, look for the music player section. You'll see whatever audio is currently playing. Now here's the important part. At the top right of this music box, you'll see a small AirPlay icon. Go ahead and tap on that icon. As soon as you tap it, a list will appear showing all available audio output devices connected to your iPhone. This includes your iPhone speaker, Bluetooth headphones, AirPods, or any other connected device. Now all you need to do is simply tap on the device you want to switch to. And just like that, your audio will instantly start playing from that selected device. It's that easy. If you're using the latest iOS version like iOS 17, the steps are exactly the same, but the layout might look slightly cleaner and easier to access. So anytime your sound is going to the wrong device, just open Control Center, tap the AirPlay icon, and switch it in seconds. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If this helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials just like this.